Push hard. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, good. Keep it up, guys. 29, 30.
Buti na lang nakapagtanong tayo sa kapwa nurse.
Basta naka-scrub. Hindi kayo niligaw.
Ang galing. Ito pala yung Raffles Hotel.
Grabe.
Dito kami ngayon sa may Healthcare City, Dubai. Dahil ngayon ay mag BBLS kami ni Mrs. Basic Life Support. So, training tayo ngayon. Sana makapasa kami.
Hindi pa yan. Susunod.
Kaya nga. Ito.
Places that are outside of a hospital, we'll look at the chain of survival for an out-of-hospital cardiac arrest first. When additional rescuers arrive, they are able to assist in the remaining actions, including beginning ventilation with a bag mask device and setting up the AED. There are additional actions.
Scenario, for example, the person is in the ground. The person is what? Collapsed in the street. There's a lot of people there. The scene is what? Chaotic, right? So you have to control the crowd, and you have to be loudly saying that do not touch the patient, everyone clear. Because we have a lot of bystanders that don't know how to do CPR, don't know what's the use of AED. What if there's that person touching the victim or even the food? Most of the people elevating the food of the patient. You click the shock button, what will happen to your second bystander? You will get shot, so you will have two victims. So you have to say do not touch the patient, okay? So you can take this in. Next, please. Questions, guys? Go turn on the AED and follow the voice promise. Is anyone here doing fasting? No. You? Ah, okay.
Ikaw, fasting ka din. Fasting din siya.
Ah, fasting.
Masabay.
Full hand. Squeeze it. There's a leakage here. Okay, see? Then head to chin lift. Go. Yeah, there's a chest rise, right? That's good. Actually, if you're using a bag mask device, you will feel a leakage in the mask. But always remember, we're not focusing on that, we're focusing on the chest rise. Okay? Most of the women has a what? Small fingers, right? So if the person is in the ground, if you cannot squeeze it, how do you squeeze it back? Your elbow. Choose this. 1, 2. Okay, if you cannot squeeze this, you have the correct position. Use your thigh, then squeeze the band switching like this. Clear? 1 and 2. Are you going to give mouth to mouth? Yes or no? Actually, no. Guys, no. But it depends on you if you want to take the risk. Okay? Again, we are healthcare professionals. We treat our patient what? Infectious every time. But if you can do mouth to mouth, how do you do mouth to mouth? Pinch the nose, head till chin lift, cover your mouth with the patient mouth, the same. Give one breath over 1 second, always observe for chest rise. You can do mouth-to-mouth only on your personal timings, your loved ones, friends, and family, if you know the medical history of that person gives mouth-to-mouth. And also, mouth-to-mouth is not allowed here in UAE because of infection control rules and regulations. If you give mouth-to-mouth and we have a license here in UAE, what will happen to your license? Your license can be revoked. Okay? Clear? And also, by the way, guys, I don't know if you heard this news. If you're a healthcare professional, you have a license here, and you see a person collapse and you didn't help the person, what will happen? They can sue you also. Okay? But actually, in way back to 2019 or 2020 below, you cannot save a person here. Even the person is like injured, you cannot touch a patient. Because if you touch a patient here, you will go to jail also. But now here, if you have a license here, you have, for example, even a first aider, a bystander, you need to help a person.
Okay. Pasado?
Pasado.
Pasado tayo?
Pasado. Pasang-awa. Hindi, pasado.
Pasado tayo. Yay! Katapos lang namin sa BLS and pasado kami ni Mrs. So, isisend na lang nila yung certificate sa email namin. Huh?
Pati ID.
Saka yung ID.
Dito ba? Isa pang floor.
Ayaw nga. So, yung certificate namin, ano siya? AHA registered, no?
Aha, certified.
Certified, recognized.
Oo.
Basta ganun. Tapos meron din dito sa Dubai na aside from AHA, yung ASHI.
ASI.
Oo, ASHI. Ayan. So, dito kami sa Hayat Institute nag-take ng BLS training namin today.
Yung office nila nasa, yung training center nila nasa Old Meta offices.
Old Meta building.
Old Meta
Ito, papakita natin. So, para hindi kayo maligaw, makikita nyo yung raffles.
Pyramid.
Oo. So, ayan yung magiging landmark nyo. Sa harap ng raffles, tapos ito yung magiging building. Tapos meron dyang entrance, diyan kayo papasok. Third floor, no? Ayan.
Room 323. O, yan na.
Room 323. Okay? Para hindi na kayo maligaw. Room 323. Kasi yun yung nangyari sa amin. Pumunta kami dito, no, wala kaming internet. Kalimutan namin mag-load bago kami umalis ng bahay. Ayan, no.
Pa-curve na building.
So, ayan siya. Pa-curve yung building niya. So, papasok kayo dyan. Tapos, yun. Third floor. Ayan, so sa harap ng Raffles Hotel. Tapos ito yung building. Tapos ito makikita nyo yung Grand Hyatt. Huwag kayong pupunta dyan, okay? Hindi yan yung location. So yung location, itong building na yan. Punta kayo dyan. And nandito ba't dyan ka? Bawal dyan, Mrs. Bawal dyan. Bawal.
Nagutom na ako.
Ako din naman nagugutom.
Hindi ka naman pwede kumain eh.
Naka-fasting ako. Tapos yun, ang binayaran namin ay 349 dirhams per head. So, times 2 nyo na lang yun. Kasi, merong mas mura. Yun nga yung ASHI na certificate. Pero, kung gagamitin mo kasi siya for NCLEX, mga ganyan, kumbaga international na hindi siya recognized. Yung ASHI kasi recognized lang siya sa Middle East hospitals. So,
pero kapag yung hospital na tatrabahuhan nyo ay nag-aano ng JCIA accreditation.
JCIA accreditation.
Kailangan AHA accredited.
AHA, oo. Yung nalaman namin na information. Kaya ang kinuha namin yung AHA na lang din. Kesa kumuha kami ng ASHI tapos i-require nila kami mag-take ulit. Oo. So madodoble lang yung gastos, di ba? Ganda yung naging lecture. Actually, yung training siya, parang na-refresh talaga yung mind natin, pati yung skills natin. Tapos yun, yung exam medyo tricky talaga siya. Parang mapapaisip ka, may parang dalawang halos magkapareho. Oh, para siyang para sa NCLEX din, parang
pero may maling word doon.
May maling word. Yun lang.
Hindi kasi isang sentence siya eh. So may part na may maling parang imbes na do not, why not? Should have, mga ganun.
So, yun yung ma-advise namin. Ano yung lang? Ay, ingay. Andito pala kami sa Dubai Healthcare City. Ika-second time lang namin na pumunta dito ngayon dahil nga nag-take kami ng BLS training. Pero before...
Pwede tayo mag-apply dyan. Clinic.
Before inikot namin to before kasi nung naghahanap nga ng trabaho dito. Kasi dito sa by the name itself, yun, maraming hospitals, clinics na pwedeng pag-applyan dito.
Yun, puros HHHH.
Nandito yung mga government hospitals, mga private hospitals, tapos mga clinics, no. Ayan. So, yan. Yan, paikot yan, isang buong ano yan. Tapos makikita nyo na din naman yung metro dito. So, walking
Green
distance.
line yan.
So walking distance lang din naman siya. So yun, ngayon ay papunta kami ng second agenda natin for today, sa travel agency Calamam MC. So pupunta kami ng Flywings. Green line din siya sa may Sharap DG station. Dubai Healthcare. Dilim lang against the light. So ayun nga pala, kung naghahanap kayo ng BLS training, visit nyo na lang yung Hyatt Institute website nila. So ilalagay ko na lang yung website nila sa baba ng ating video o kaya sa comment section or kaya sa description ng video na to. Hindi siya sponsored video, no? Pero highly recommended kasi siya dahil napaka-clear the way na magsalita yung lecturer.
Baga walang paligoy-ligoy.
Nakakatuwa. Mga kabayan yung nandun, mga staff doon, pati yung lecturer, kabayan siya. Nakaka-proud, no?
Nagagaling.
Galing. So ayun, sabi ko nga, papunta na tayo ngayon ng Flywings Travel Agency. Magbubuk tayo ng visa extension ni Lola Lay, mother-in-law ko, mama ni Mrs. So green line lang din sasakyan natin.
Kapayang ako.
Alay mo yun, may payong pala tayo, no?
Ayun, Dr. Salim.
So ito yung green line na Dubai Healthcare City Metro Station. Two trains. Wala masyadong tao ngayon. This is video to. Wala masyadong tao ngayon. Oh my God.
Di ba may lilikuan?
So ito yung building. So yung building na yan, papasok tayo dun sa gilid. Yung palatandaan ko lagi, ito. Tapos pag diniretso nyo yan, papunta na yan ng Burjuman Mall. Tapos red line na dun. Ayan yung isang So galing dito, papasok tayo dito. Pasok kami sis, pasok. Tapos pasok tayo dito sa may pinto na yan. Tapos nasa second floor yung office nila. Ito, Flywings room 208.